Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 won't turn on, it's likely due to a power plate issue. This can occur if the power plate is damaged or malfunctioning. If left unrepaired, it could lead to further complications and potentially make your device unusable, so it's best to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement power plate compatible with the TM31, and some patience. To begin, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged from the power source. Carefully use a flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing, starting from the base and working your way around the edges. Take your time here to avoid any unnecessary damage to the plastic. Once you have the casing removed, locate the power plate, which is usually situated near the power supply. Inspect it closely for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt marks or broken connections. To remove the faulty power plate, you may need to unscrew several screws that hold it in place. Use the appropriate screwdriver and remember to keep these screws in a safe place. When disconnecting the power plate, gently pull the cables free, taking care not to tug too hard as this may damage nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old power plate is out, take your new one and insert it carefully, ensuring all connections align correctly. Screw it back into place, applying a moderate amount of force, but be cautious not to over-tighten as this could crack the casing. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they sit snugly in their sockets. After everything is secured, carefully replace the casing by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear it click into place. Plug your Thermomix back in and turn it on to verify that everything functions as it should. If you notice any issues, it's advisable to consult a professional. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly inspect your device for any signs of wear and tear, and avoid overloading it during use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.